We've all been there. The latest version of an Excel file is one that's been modified by someone else. But what did they actually change? Unfortunately, finding this out has always been difficult in Excel. One simple change potentially produces countless side effects, so simply listing all cell-by-cell differences is rarely helpful. Meet PerfectXL Compare. Drop in your own most recent version, the one from your colleague, and you're promptly presented with the difference between them. You can compare on a worksheet-by-worksheet basis, perform code review-like VBA assessments, or delve straight into details. Switch between a unified and side-by-side view to make sense of the before and after version. With straightforward Excel integration, the often mandatory and time-consuming documentation of model changes is now just a click away. Book a free demo and see for yourself.